In this quick video guide, I will show you how you can reset your PC. So let's just type here reset PC. You can also type reset this PC. You can type it here in Google and search for information, or you can type it directly into the Windows search. Now if you type it here, it's going to bring you directly into the control panel, precisely in the position where you want to be, which is this panel right here called recovery. Now we are going to talk specifically about the resetting. Now, for example, if you want to sell your PC or you want to change PC, you want to give your PC to another person, then you want to make sure that you have deleted everything on that computer. Or also this could be an option if your computer doesn't work really well and you want to optimize it a little bit, you want to make it faster. Well, maybe you just created too much data or too much files, or maybe there is an app or a particular software that is giving problems. And again, this is an excellent fixing problems solution. Once you click on get started, it's gonna open up this window here. And I'm sorry this is in Italian. Well, Italian is my first language, but I thought this would open up in English because my settings right now are in English, but I'm gonna explain to you. Now, basically, you have two choices here. You're gonna keep your files, personal files, or you're gonna remove everything. In this case, I will remove everything because I don't want any person after me to see what's inside my computer, my personal data, and so on. And also you will select how do you want to install Windows. Well, I think the faster option here is to use the local install. And then it's gonna show you some additional options here. So if you click on change option or change settings, the first one, it's really important. Now the first one is gonna tell you that it's gonna clean everything. If you switch to yes, it's gonna clean everything up. The operation could take a little bit more, but it's gonna be more difficult to retrieve those files that you want to permanently delete. Now another option to do that is to fill your hard disk with many different files, for example video files, which are pretty big. So those are gonna replace the old files, and that's the only way I think you're gonna be 100% sure that no one could retrieve information from that PC. Otherwise, there could be always a possibility to retrieve some files from an hard disk. Now, of course, you can destroy the hard disk, but that's gonna cost you the hard disk. So you can clean it with this option here, proceed with the restart and the reset, and when you finish, everything's gonna look brand new. And then, if you want to make sure, fill that hard disk with a lot of stuff and then delete that stuff once again, and you probably would have replaced all the old files in your computer, and you can start fresh. You can have now a pretty nice computer, pretty fast, and then you should have solved all your application software problems and things like that. So this will be all for this video guide. Please subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.